In a moonlit kitchen, a clever cat and a bold dog discover a mysterious map that leads to a hidden snack. They trade clues with whiskers and wagging tails, deciphering a riddle etched on a crumpled brownie wrapper. A squeaky toy train chugs to life, getting them through cupboards and under tables with cinematic suspense. They reach a secret pantry where a glowing jar reveals the snack treasure, but only if they share wisely. The duo choose teamwork over greed, celebrate with a cheer, and the kitchen sighs with warm, cozy triumph.